Welcome to Joseph IT. Today I will be showing you two fastest methods to identify your graphics card in Windows 11 and 10. Method 1. Go to Start. Find Settings. Come to Display. Scroll down. Come to Advanced Display. Finally, click on Display Adapter Properties. Here the graphics card is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. Total video memory. Dedicated video memory. System and shared system memory shown. You can come to the properties for more information like drivers, events, and so on. Method 2. Come to Start. Type Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Here the info is about the graphics card. So, these are the ways to identify your graphics card faster. Hope you found this video useful. Please be with us and subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.